What about the airplane? You are cute and handsome. What about the airplane? You are cute and handsome. Oh, you wanna see me now? Then I'm gonna have to take one. Come on, come. Alright, I'm headed to the gate. Let's see. Trust me, Yorks, and I delivered. And we're gonna get it, right? Let's go. Right, you thought I was joking. We're right ahead. The things I'm doing for you guys, look at the queue. Massive. Just waiting. Right, as you can see, I can feel just about not too bad. Let me show you the toilet. I'm in the toilet, and look. This. I can't even feel properly though. I don't know how you don't do it. Look at that. Oh my days.